that are sticking out, and you are left with the one line kind of roughly of what you wanted to draw. Bless you!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, bless you. Bless.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Love. Forever.
Oh
my god, love forever.
thank you.
So cute. Alright.
No. Okay.
Okay. You can do like a little small line of that black color for my choker. Actually, you can just split it in half. Yeah, sometimes it's too hard to... That was so cute.
Oh gosh.
That's such an adorable sneeze.
No!
Tascaro!
No!
You're welcome, chat.
Okay.
Are you okay? Or do you have like allergies or something?
It's just allergies.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, get some rest after. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, good.
And you can also color the gloves here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.